How's it going, guys? Back again with another video about Alex Hormozi's 100 Million Models book, and it's on how to make money. So this is probably the last video I'm going to talk about in this book, because I've done a few videos already. One of the final sections, it's about continuation sort of money offers, and these are basically subscriptions. So however you want to sort of put it, if you join a gym, that's a continuation sort of offer. Not going to go into really any details because it really helps if you get the book. I've kind of just summarized everything in the book that I've found quite interesting. So yeah, a continuation is a subscription. That's as simple as it, really. I'll be doing some other books as well on the channel, so this is kind of a very short video. I'm going to sort of sign out on the videos to do with Alex Hormozi's 100 Million Models book. There's so many things that guy's sort of bringing out all the time. He's literally making more money than anyone else I can see working online. So he's done very well for himself, and also his wife. She seems to be very successful, like a power couple by the looks of it. So yeah, a continuation of it is a subscription, and there's many different ways you can sort of advertise that in your business, and it's all covered in the book. So do yourself a favour. It's a thumbs up from me. Recommend getting the book. You'll learn something. I've learned a lot from reading it, and thoroughly enjoyed going through it. And there are a couple of things in this book I might be able to put towards a business of my own in the future. I don't have a business of my own at the moment. I'm a employee, so yeah, I'm just gonna sort of keep my head down and get on with my work and everything. I'll try and get more videos on this channel, because it's difficult because I'm working full time. Now I've got another book that I'm probably going to look at, which is the James Smith one. Are you ready to change your life? So I'll do the same thing again. I'll go through different chapters and just summarize what I've sort of learned from them. I'm obviously not going to go through everything, because you really want to buy these books, but this is just me sort of going over things that I'm interested in, and I think you might be interested in yourself. So yeah, I'll sign out of Alex Hormozi's 100 Million Models book, and if you've not seen my other reviews or all the other chapters, then go back. And also, there's one thing I'm not talking about in these videos. It is actually at the end of the book, he talks about setting up your actual money model. But I think it's better if you get the book, and then you can sort of go through all the instructions that he lays out at the end of it. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you soon. Take care.